have a nice graphic here from your acronym. So tell us a little bit about I. Implement a survival holistic kit.
Yeah, what I mean by that is that, you know, I believe we're mental, emotional, spiritual beings, physical beings, and sometimes even throw in financial beings. So when I thought about that, how do you help with your mental capacity? The experts say that, you know, aging and memory loss is not, they're not linked together. But I find that I don't remember as well as I did years ago. And people my age and even younger people say the same thing. So for memory, you know, you learn something, you have long-term and short-term goal. For me, the short-term goal would be you can do Sudoku, you can do puzzles, you can do, I even forgot right now, I forgot what other things I mentioned there. But things that you can do on a short-term basis. On a long-term basis, it can be musical, an instrument that you're learning. It can be another language that you're learning, and all that helps your memory, it helps your mental capacity. The beginning of the year, God chose something in my lap that I really don't find fascinating or like, but I became a licensed insurance agent. Now, that is totally left field for me. But I passed by 3 points, but I still passed. And
That's
I'm
fantastic.
happy about that. So we took care of the mind. Then you have the emotions. With the emotions, you know, gather yourself. Right now, I'm ridding myself of toxic relationships, toxicity in my life, you know, and just being around people that are your cheerleaders, people that really help you be a better person. I don't want anybody that's going to really put me down. I put myself down enough. And, you know, in a spiritual sense, well, that is the best developed area of my life because I have my devotionals daily, and that's the only reason why I can be here today. You know, because before things intimidate me and fill me with fear much more.